Hello guys, how are you? Mauricio Aizawa speaking here. I would like to show you today in this video details about how you can expand the capacity of your ChatGPT to talk with other applications. That's really powerful because this can increase your daily routine. Imagine that you have, for example, Asana for managing all of your tasks, your personal and also your team's tasks, and you have to open Asana, search for the task, check the reports, take a look and create some filters in order to bring the data that you need. But you can use ChatGPT to bring all of this data. You can just ask ChatGPT in a prompt what you need, and they are gonna bring all the data that you would like to see. Okay, just in a bit. It's really fast, powerful, and I will show you step by step how you can activate. Example of prompt that you can copy and paste to create your weekly report. You can, for example, check what happened in this week, and also you can start planning your next week. You can start defining the activities, check if all projects contain certain tasks or if all of your resources are fully booked in your system, so you can just ask. Okay, let me show you step by step now. Take a look in my screen now. I will show you the details. Okay, so first of all, you go to your ChatGPT and you have your Asana. Okay, I just log into my Asana here with some examples of projects. So right, go to ChatGPT in plus, go to more, and here you're gonna see probably you're not gonna see Asana. Let me show you how to activate this part. Go to explore apps, and this is gonna open a new tab, and in this tab you can, for example, select any software that you would like to connect. Those are native integrations OpenAI provide in your account. Okay, so you can, for example, talk with booking.com for bringing you flies, etc. You can, for example, bring some reviews from TripAdvisor, for example. But go to productivity, you can explore later, and you're gonna see Asana on the list. Okay, it's not gonna bring this mark because my one is already connected. So click in Asana, you're gonna see a button to connect. Okay, or you can click in this gear and connect here. Okay, as you are logged into your Asana already, it's not gonna ask for authentication, it will connect automatically. Otherwise, you need to provide your user details. It's secure, they create an OAuth connectivity. Okay, and that's it. You can disconnect anytime or also reference your memories. Okay, for example, everything that you are talking about, you can use this knowledge in order to interact with Asana. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, that's it. Super simple, easy. Now, what you need to do, you can start chatting. You can click here or you can create a new chat and just go to this part, more, and you can select Asana. Okay, so from now on, you are able to start having conversations. For example, please bring me all projects, active ones. Okay, and I can start chatting, send data, asking queries, and he's gonna bring all the data. Imagine that before you need to open Asana, go to the projects, take a look on the projects one by one, see if there are tasks or which one is active, or you can mark the status of that project, etc. So now, voila, it's bringing all the data, including the links for those projects, so I can take a look here. I know that, for example, those projects, for example, I forgot to ask, for example, group by active and archive, so I can see the ones that is really active. I mentioned that those are active. I can ask for active and archive. This way I'm bringing also the one that was archived and finalized. That's really interesting. Okay, and also you can start thinking about the tasks. Okay, projects, tasks, assignees. So great, so you can have all of those. So now I have those projects and also the archived ones, so super simple to check. Okay, I wanna see all the tasks planned for this week related to this project, and I can put the details of the project, for example, project prototype. So it will bring me the activities. You can think about your activities as well. Okay, bring me my plan for this week, and you can see the details of this plan. And for example, for those tasks, help me to prioritize all the tasks that I have based on level of importance, so you can start working on this. This way you see that I'm bringing all the tasks related to this project. Okay, that's awesome. Okay, so this week tasks, you have 6 active tasks, and this is amazing, right? So imagine that you basically just ask ChatGPT and they will do the hard work to bring the data. Okay, you can also interact creating tasks, creating projects. I will show you in the next video. Okay, all right, what about if you wanna, for example, you have a particular status report? You can think about those specific instructions, okay, more elaborate instructions, and you can just copy and paste and run this weekly, and this will speed up the process to consolidate data from different projects, so it will make easier for you to discuss in a meeting, right? Or also to send the plan, or let's say we're working with a sprint and you have a different sprint, you want to know the progress of that sprint, so you can think about those smart prompts to bring all the data that you need. Okay, so for example here I ask for the report. We have some reference regarding date, and also what is the criteria, the task that was closed this week. In my task here environment I don't have any, but in terms of the tasks, okay, task open, etc., weekly tasks. So basically, and also you have a summary regarding those tasks, what happened, so you can also ask ChatGPT for some analysis regarding what is happening. For example, project by project, you could ask for a review, a summary of those projects, so this way you are able to see if what is the indicator as well, if it's green, yellow, red, the risks, what you need to take care of in those projects, so you can start thinking about many possibilities. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you wanted this prompt, I will leave here on the description of this video the link, so you can capture and use right away in your projects. Okay, you can just run and simulate in your Asana. Okay, if you like this video, just leave the like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. See you, bye.